Welcome student. Now in this video we study the different types of weed plants and how it is identified easily. So there is a we see number one, that is the weeds in black cotton soil. There is a Kans grass, that is the Saccharium spontaneum species, and it is grown up to the 3 meter height. And second one image we see the Cynodon dactylon, that is known as the hariali. It is majorly found in black cotton soil frequently. Then there are in next image we see that the weeds in sandy loam soil or light soil, that is locally this plant is known as agada, and botanically it is Acheranthus aspera. Is there is a in this image we see, and in next image here we see that the coxcomb weeds, which is grown in mostly light soils. Then the next one is the next one weed plants that the sandy soil or light soil, that is the choti dudhi, or it is botanically known as Euphorbia thymifolia. It is the medicine plant, but it is frequently occurs in our side of house, roadside, or there is a loam soil or in light soil. Then in this second image we see the species of this weed plant. Then the weed plants which is obviously occur in ill drained or marshy soil, that is the here we see the maca. It is the medicine plant and it used in preparation of many Ayurvedic medicines. It is botanically known as Eclipta erecta. Here we see the images of Eclipta erecta. It is locally known as a maca plant. There are different images we see same plant. Then in next image we see the nutgrass, that is also known as a Cyprus rotundus, that is locally known as a lava. It is also grown in marshy or ill-drained soil where the water is available throughout a year. In that soil these weed plants are grown. There is a nutgrass nodes which is develop the new plant. Here we see the roots and nodes. Then we next study the weed plants which is obviously occur in aquatic or in water. There is a water hyacinth. We see the image. There is a flowering plant of water hyacinth. It is locally known as jalkumbhi. Here we see here is a water and it is grown on the water. That is the water hyacinth or jalkumbhi. And in second image we see the cattail. Cattail is the local name, or typha is it is mainly known as typha plants. In this image here we see the end of plant, that is also looks like as a cattail, so it is known as a cattail. Then in second image we see the lotus, which is obviously occur in weed or muddy soil, or where is a more water, in ponds where water is stored. In that ponds lake we see the lotus. Then sometime it is also grown as a ornamental plant. Here we see the Euphorbia species weed plant, that is the hirta. Euphorbia hirta, that is known as locally dudhi. In this image we see the dudhi or Euphorbia hirta weed plant, and in next image we see the Vasantvel plant, which is also grown. Then in next image we see the Camelina species, that is locally known as a canna, and it is obviously occur. It is vegetatively propagated plant, and it is occur in black cotton soil, light soil. Then in next image here we see the flowers of canna or Camelina species. Then next one image we see the aquatic weed plant, that is the Hydrilla. Here we see the species of Hydrilla and different species of Hydrilla. Then we see the lotus, that is the aquatic weed plant, or it is also known as, or it is also grown as a ornamental plant in a tank, water tank. And here in second image we see that the seeds of lotus. Then we see next weed plant, that is the Cannabis sativa plant. This plant we see in our field throughout the year. Then here we see the nut grass, that is known as lavala. Then the next one image, Legusca mollis, that is locally known as Pandripuli. This plant is majorly occurs roadside, wasteland, or grazing or pasture land. Then in second image we see the flower of Legusca mollis or Pandripuli weed plant. And in next image we see the Lantana camera. It is locally known as a Ganeri. It is this type of plant is also grown in miniature plant in garden as a hanging basket or a hanging plant, and it also used as a ornamental in garden. There is a number second image. Here we see the coxcomb weed plant, which is majorly occurs or appeared in light soils. Then we see the Cynodon dactylon. Then here we see the Bermuda grass. And in next image here we see the Amaranthus species, that is locally known as a Tandoda, which is used as a leafy vegetable. Then in next image we see the Eclipta erecta, that is known as a maca. It is the medicinal plant. It is also used in the preparation of Ayurvedic medicines. Then here we see the water hyacinth, or that is botanically known as Ichino. It is locally known as water hyacinth or jalkumbhi, that is grown as or classified as an aquatic weed plant. It is mostly seen in our river where water is stable water level is stable in that. Then we see the Parthenium species, which is locally known as Gajar Gavat. It is obviously occur or appear in pasture and grazing lands, roadside, wasteland, and sometimes it is also appeared on the bonds of field. So here we see the flowering and seeding stage of Parthenium species. So student, we see the different types of weed plants which is easily identified in our field or roadside where it is appeared or occurred. So I hope that you also easily identify the weed plants which is appeared in our crop field or crop area, or there is a roadside, wasteland, wilderness soil. So student, here we try to identify different types of weed plants which is grown or which is obviously appeared in different location. These weed plants I tried to identify easily for the student of all types, that is the 11th or 12th crop science, horticulture, then the agriculture science and technology subject. Then this video is also useful for the degree course like BSc agriculture faculty student. So here we stop our this lecture, and in next video lecture we learn new topic. So thank you student.